Okay, so for our history of math project, we did Hindu Arabic numbers, and I'm Lucy.
And I'm Kaylee.
So we first started with the history of Arabic numbers. They are 10 symbols, including 0 through 9. They represent numbers in the decimal number system. It was developed over 2,000 years ago. It originated in India but was later introduced to Europe and other parts of the world in the 7th century by Leonardo Pisano, who is known today as Fibonacci. So it has a few different uses. The first is it was used for different number systems simultaneously. So an example would be counting on fingers and writing numbers out as words, and that was used in the business community. Another example is the sexagesimal system, which is denoting numbers by letters that were in the Arabic alphabet. And the last one is Indian numerals, which is writing as fractions used to show the decimal place value system. Zeros are a part of the number system as well because they are place value holders. And one of the things that they used for a tool was called an Ishango bone, and they used those as calculators. They were actually the fibula of a baboon, and they engraved tallies on the bones to compute the mathematical problems.
So, for the uses of math in history, mathematics was developed for calculating important aspects within the communities. So, it's commonly used when they were measuring land, taxes, agriculture, financial records, rapid calculations, surveying, and for navigation. It contributed to the growth of capitalism, which aided in the development of the Renaissance. And so for our lesson idea, we used a third grade class, and we were going to give the students an overview of the Hindu Arabic numerals. So we're going to talk about what they are, what the history was, and how they are used. So an example of how they're used is to determine land calculations. So then we were going to give the students a worksheet. So they would complete the worksheet using the numerals to calculate the perimeter of the land from each of the shape that was provided.